Okay, well the dismount was a little shaky, but I got out unscathed and not wet. So let's premiere what you look like, huh? Alright, there it is. This is a 90, this is an old model. But what I like about it the most is that it's 9 feet. Don't drift, don't go anywhere. All it is a flat pontoon boat. It's just a flat pontoon. But the stability is wonderful. And the skirt keeps you dry. And if you're gonna have any mishaps, and you got to make quick movements, lose any gear. At least the only thing you lose is your gear. And so, skirt with pockets, recommended. Where you can put your weighted fishtails, plastics. I use Storms. With all these pylons coming up out of the water, what do you think? Think it's a good spot for crappies to stack at? I wanted to get a really good bite. Water level is pretty high right now. Those are screw mounts. It was 38 degrees this morning. Feels like about 45, 50 degrees. So I have to secure the screw mounts so that it's about 9:30. Early morning. So I take the pressure off of the screws. Thought I'd get up and go for a little horseshoe shape pleasure run on the I'll figure something out on the river. So that way it takes the pressure off of those screws. So when I hit a wake, oh, got a little drift right here. Caught in the middle. The kayak wants to fall. Got a little current. Current break this way. This is typical. Okay, so if I want to fish this, secure that. That's the only thing I need to secure. Other than that, very happy. I'll go right there where those pylons are at, and then drift this direction. What's working best right now is worms and bottom fishing, basically. Everything's down deep. Cold water season. Where this kayak's gonna come in hand. I can just get in the water anywhere and quick survey. Look at some spots for the fall season or spring that's coming. Getting a good feel on how this behave in current swift water conditions, which I'm sure it'll do well. Got up here pretty fast. I'm liking this kayak. Low to the water. Quick access to any area. Can practically carry it on my shoulder. About 35 pounds at the most. Very light this long in the water. Walking to here. As long as I don't lose any gear, I got my rods secured. I'm real comfortable with my strokes. Not feeling tired. Making good headway. Good ground. All I need is order a Lawrence. It's a 2D. Nothing special. Just need to see how deep the water is and temperature. I got an idea of a downdraft or down rig. It's the only way I'm going to be able to get down to some of these fish, especially walleye. I think they're like 20 feet deep right now. Crappies are 12 feet deep. And the water's up high. But these logs look real good to me. These floating logs right here. I don't want to take a chance on losing anything, so I don't want to cast anything, throw any jigs out. Basically jigging in the blind. Only one way to find out. I'll do what I say I'm gonna do. I'll go up here to this other log beams up here. Finding out you don't have to stick your oars too deep in the water to get some speed. Little effort. Lean forward, reach your toes, snap it out the water, reach your toes, snap it out, reach your toes, snap it out. Look at this view. Lawn seat really on the water. Isn't this nice? Winter season. I'll give myself 4 hours to be on the water, 2 hours to fish, 2 hours to explore, or an hour to explore. And see, I already picked up speed going here this way. Against the current. Let's see how we can do to get this gain back against the current. All right. I don't sound so tired because it's not really strained. No strain at all. Tell you what, if you've never done kayaking, you should try it. If you're afraid of flipping stability, get some buoys. Buoys cost like $30 online. If you're in a water area, hope you can get to the water. Very relaxing. Thing is very light. Good upper body from the water. Walk it to here. Like, and fishing is just a bonus. You can get to areas that you normally couldn't get to on shore. There you got clearance. You just sling it around over your shoulder and walk it wherever you need to go. Don't let nobody talk you out of your fun. Side, I want to do it on. I do different things. I'd rather do it on the other side. That you are looking for enjoyment. Oh, this looks different. Like so. Well, that looked really strange. Right up the ledge. I think it's the glare that's on the water and the current that's flowing through these two beams here. Ball of fish in there, but I like the way this on your shoulder and kayak responds. Until next time, made it out safe. That's the goal. Oh yeah, I'm gonna throw some a jig over there. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Look at that response. This turn is on the dime. All right, we're going back to stroking. I think I get a couple casts here. Let's see how we do. What this kayak wants to do. Wants to turn and go this way for some reason. The water flowed. All right. Always check the tip of your reel. Make sure you're not binded up at the top. Did not come out here to lose any gear today, so I'm taking my time. Warm waters is what I'm catching, so cold water. If I get desperate, I'll throw some worms, but I'm not desperate. Just out here learning how to be a better kayaker, if possible. Alright. Drift backwards and just, this is what I mean by getting me some mirrors. I'll put a mirror right here in the front. I want to drift backwards so I can watch things that are behind me. I'm not going to catch anything, but it's good practice. And just jig and jig and jig. I don't even know how deep this is. Feel like the bottom. Can't see my line. Got to get some high vis line. Alright. That's alright off the bottom. So let's see. See what drifting back to where I got in there to do for me. Just gonna jig. And jig. This is what I would normally do. Get in before daybreak, paddle against the current 2-3 miles, and then drift back for 2 hours of drifting, looking for crappie, looking for bass, looking for walleye, and just going with the flow of the river. I think I'm still at depth. Check the depth, see if I gotten deeper. Whoa, still deep. That might be the current carrying it. It took 5 seconds to hit the bottom.